Hello everyone, welcome to Windows command line tutorial. Today I will show you how to execute Windows commands to open multiple tabs at once in the same window for Microsoft Edge browser. There are three ways you can open. First one is by using JavaScript method. Second one is by using basic Windows command method. And third one is customizing setting in Edge browser. So let's get started. Now let's dive in the first method, and that is open multiple web pages in different tabs at the same window for Microsoft Edge browser using JavaScript method. So we will save it as edge.js. Now in JavaScript, double slash is used to comment any line. Now we will create the object browse. We will call the Windows shell to execute the command. Now we will call the object browse.run. Microsoft Edge. Now we will run it using start command. Here you can see I have opened 5 tabs in the same window for Microsoft Edge browser, that is Google, YouTube, Apple, Microsoft and Amazon. You can set your own URL here and execute using JavaScript method. Now let's dive into the second method, and that is open multiple web pages in different tabs in the same window for Microsoft Edge browser by using basic Windows command method. We will open new tab here. First of all, we will set browser as default. Now we will use the start command. We will copy URL from here. The end command. Now we can run this command. Let's see what happens. See, here also I have opened 5 different tabs in the same window. You can set your own URL here and execute. Now let's dive into the third method, and that is open multiple web pages in different tabs in the same window for Microsoft Edge browser by customizing setting. So we will go to the setting, open Microsoft Edge with a specific page or pages. Now we will add the pages. We will set 4 pages. Now we will close this. We will start by start command. You can see here whatever I have set here, it has opened here. You can set your own link and open. You must have one question in mind, where is .exe extension for Microsoft Edge? If you go here, this is the exe path for Microsoft Edge. If you will double click here, it will not open. Because the Edge browser in Windows 10 is a Metro app, that is a universal app. It is designed as a protocol activated application. So that means there is no exe file that you can run directly to launch the Edge browser from the command line or a shortcut. These are the 3 methods by which one can open multiple web pages in different tabs in the same window for Microsoft Edge browser. Now you can say that third method is very easy, yes, but first method is suitable if you want to launch your whole work schedule in a single command. And I have shown it in my first video, you can execute all these commands using Cortana. It will save lots of time for you, believe me. After one more videos, I will show you how to embed these in Cortana so you don't have to execute even these commands in CMD. In the next video, I will show you how to open multiple web pages in different tabs in the same window for Mozilla Firefox browser. Please subscribe to this channel for more videos. Thank you. Thanks for watching.